two, please.
Not besties, he says. You what, mate? Look how big he is now.
I know.
Wait, we'll have a discussion quick.
Well, no, we're going to do left hand, right hand. So whatever hand he raises first, you got to pick a hand. What hand do you want to be your hand?
This hand.
So that's his right hand. So if he whatever right hand he raises first from now, that's the one he's choosing. Oh! That's Frank. Come on, Yellow Belly. Go and say sorry to your brother and get your brother down there and let him have a cuddle now. Come on, you lost that fair and square. Bring Frank. No, he chose who he wants to lay with. Right, do it with you and Ted. So choose a hand each. Shah, what one?
That one.
Well, you can't both have that hand. Shah chose left. So you're right, Shah's left. Right, next time he raises his hand, that's the best one he likes. Hey! He chose Shah. Right, mum and dad. Go on, mum. You're on his right hand. Right, I've got the left hand. Let him put it down and reset. Put his arm down. Reset him. Right, leave him then. Leave him, because otherwise you will pull his shoulder out. Nah, bruv, you got to let him reset. Let him reset. Right, he's reset. Right. This is mum. This is dad. Charlie, you... Oh, Charlie. Yeah! Come on, Charlie. Hit him up there. Hey, big boy. Are you daddy's mate? Yeah? Because that's mum's side, we're going to take one of your socks off. There you go. He's eating it straight away.
That's because he's fixing his face.
Well, same thing.
He's
resting on it. Right, move over. Move over, sausage. Right, here we go. He's on it. Right, here we go. He's on his belly.
Oh, look at him.
Here, good boy. 8 weeks old. Whoop. Whoop. What are you saying, mate? You good?
Oh, look at him.
That's good for 8 weeks, no? Or is that normal? That's normal, isn't it?
Yeah, it's normal. It's good. What do you think it's good?
It's good, because we're proud parents. We're proud parents. We're good.
He lifts his head really high now.
Look how big his head is now.
Yeah,
When you like carrying him.
Whoa, 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 he's gonna go.
So sit round the other side.
Wait. Good, Jolly. He's gonna go.
Two, please.
Not besties, he says. You what, mate? Look how big he is now.
I know.